Good morning, Stephanie Kammerman, the Stock Whisperer, here to tell you the whisper of the day. But before we get to today's whisper, you know it, we got to talk about yesterday's whisper. So yesterday we had our eye on FCX. We were bullish above 1450. We spotted those massive prints coming in, and guess what? It took off, almost hitting 15 this morning. So 15 is going to be a really big level. I expect to see computers selling there the first time it hits. Wait for a pullback, that second attempt, usually at least 25 minutes later or more. It hits 15. If it can break through with volume increasing, that's when you want to enter if you have not entered already. But this is a major breakout. If you take a look at this weekly chart right here, you can see that we are at the bottom of this trend line here. So there's a lot of room to go, like I showed you yesterday, all the way to the top around 1750 level. So, yep, definitely going to watch what prints come in there. Also, yesterday we had our eye on AMD. It's been a few different days of consolidation. Massive prints coming in at around that 10 level. So I like this as long as it stays above 10, but I would really love to see it break above 1020. Also, I brought it to your attention, these prints on XLF. Heavy prints coming in. We are going to be bullish above 28, and we are hitting that this morning, as well as Bank of America. We had a lot of prints coming in there. Also, yesterday, I posted up more prints coming in at 28.80, bullish above 29 for that. My weekly whispers were super hot yesterday. Facebook, it's not every day we get those large prints coming in on that. And this thing took off. My traders in the room were rocking Facebook yesterday. And leads me to the trader of the day yesterday, Suzanne, aka Susie Q. You know, Susie's been so consistent in her trading, but the best thing about Susie is she's always posting the prints in the room. She beats me every single time we have this little competition going. And I love that, Susie. Thank you so much for definitely adding to the room the way you do. So what are we watching today? Well, if you have my Dark Pool app, I was tweeting at the end of the day, the last 25 minutes, we got these massive prints. A huge 1.5 million print on MU once again at $42.88. We were bullish above 43. I know a lot of us took really cheap lotto calls on this, which are paying off today. So yeah, we're going to be bullish as long as it stays above the prints, above 43. This could be the beginning of another big run for MU. Also, NVIDIA. Very rare that we see prints on NVIDIA. Massive print, 1 million shares. That's huge. It's $191.50. That was the print. Think about how much money it took to make that, all right? So we're at 194. A lot of us also took lottery ticket calls going into today, which are definitely paying off. I can see a run on NVIDIA up to 200. However, it's going to have a little bit of resistance right here on this 8 EMA, which is about 195.55. If it can break above that, lot of room to go to the upside. We've been seeing a lot of prints this morning. You can see it on my block trade indicator right here. ZTO, this is like the FedEx of China. And it's not every day I come in and I see these huge prints on ZTO. So 1585 is the print level. We're going to be bullish above 1620. Right, you want to give it a little bit of room. Obviously bullish above the prints, but if we can break above 1620, that's more confirmation. You can see massive volume that came into it yesterday as well. 1650 would be my first target. And then, of course, if it could break above these moving averages, a lot of room to go to the upside. So come watch me trade along with my amazing traders all day long. We trade live. We call it our trades. We have a lot of fun. Come join us. It's only $9.95 for a 30-day trial. Happy trading, everybody.